Welcome back to Naomi's Corner at Home. Today I will be showing you a very easy fish recipe. I personally call this cod with Italian dressing. So what we have here is a cod. I already seasoned it with a little bit of garlic salt, not a lot, just a little bit. And then Italian dressing, my personal choice is this Newman's Own light dressing. And we're gonna put a little bit of vegan mayonnaise, but you can also use the regular mayonnaise. And then I have here cherry tomatoes. And then before we serve it, we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Again, it's an option. If you want, you can use the regular one or the vegan one. So what we'll be using tonight or today is my favorite, the crown jewel of Saladmaster electric skillet. And you don't have to preheat this. So first, all we need to do is dump your seasoned cod. Okay. All right, just like so. And then we're going to put a little bit of our mayonnaise, at least half teaspoon for each of the slice of the cod. Okay. Alright, that will be it. And then put a little bit of your choice of light Italian dressing. So easy. You can basically also put a little bit of mixed vegetables, favorite vegetables that you have. It could be frozen or fresh. It's really up to you. And then I'm gonna put all of my cherry tomatoes. When everything is already set here, we're gonna cover it. And then we're gonna set the temperature. So our temperature here will be 340 degrees. So once you hear the vapor valve starts clicking, all you need to do is reduce the heat to 240 and then just cook it for another 10 minutes. And then before you serve it, we're gonna garnish it with your Parmesan cheese. So easy. Now that the vapor valve starts clicking, it's time for us to reduce the heat from 340 to 250 for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Now 10 minutes is up. I think we are ready to check our Italian fish. Wow! Now if you think that you need more time, you can add for about 2 to 3 more minutes. But this is ready to serve and I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of my Parmesan cheese. Wow! Then dinner is ready. Enjoy!